fuck up out my face with what you talking about. I got too much on my plate, and I know you can't relate. They show love, but it be fake. Fuck you talking about. Shit be covering up that hate. I know how to spot a snake. Niggas talk that drum and bass. Fuck you talking about. So you better know your place. Stay inside cause it ain't safe. Bitch, I'm outside with the aches. Fuck you talking about. Yeah. You hear my words, but got no clue about who I really am. For shark infested waters, phrases like that make me sound harder and more ruthless. But the truth is that I merely swam out the stolo, semis bland, willy-nilly over kilograms. Niggas selling rock like Stilly Dan. While the world spins like whirlwinds, out of control. How does the soul find a third cleanse when all of this cold water that flows has for sure been contaminated with sin? Planted in the latest of trends, stranded in this land of the antiquated ways of the men, standing in a state of revenge, seeking a way to defend reputations because the names are actually greater than them. Life is a trip, you can't predict the when or way that it ends. Bullets travel straight through the skin like gamma rays in the wind. My greatest of wins came when I annotated my gems. The shit I write so far, I got my hand afraid of my pen. Get the fuck up out my face with what you talking about. I got too much on my plate, and I know you can't relate. They show love, but it be fake. Fuck you talking about. Shit be covering up the hate. I know how to spot a snake. Niggas talk that drum and bass. Fuck you talking about. So you better know your place. Stay inside cause it ain't safe. Bitch, I'm outside with the aches. Fuck you talking about. Tell me what sense do it make coming back when you escape? Quiet as kept. I feel the vibe of the whole city. So tired and stressed from getting fed the steady diet of death. Mothers crying on steps. So yeah guys, welcome back. Guess what, we are back with another video. Never thought we would be here, but yeah, we're here. I had a long day today. Woke up, was working from home. I was just like thinking about how I've been missing out on YouTube. So I was like, you know what, today let me do a mini vlog, because the last time someone dared me to do a vlog, I'm like, are you sure you want me to do a vlog? So I was like, okay, bring it on. So yeah, but I must say, yeah, it's been a while, and I've just realized how hard is vlogging and YouTube and all this content creation. But yeah, I'm glad to be back. We are still doing it like we used to do, alive and kicking it. I saw the subscribers have went up. Thank you so much guys for subscribing, even though I was not posting anything. But yeah, the more we get more subscribers, the more we get better. As you can see now, we're doing it more cinematic, quality. We're putting in the quality as well. So yeah, I hope you guys are gonna enjoy this one. I'm here now, doing some essential shopping. I also want to cook something later on. My girlfriend was doing spinach the other day, and she did it with white sauce. So she did the white sauce separately, and it tasted good. So normally I use the soup packs to make white sauce. So that's the old school way, or that's the lazy way. So today I was like, you know what, the sauce tasted so good. So I was like, you know what, let me come today and do the sauce. I want to cook pasta, so I want to do the white sauce as well and see how it's gonna taste. So I did search on the net. It says I need to get cream or milk.
And then I need to get, okay, I already have flour at the house, and I need to have flour for the ingredients. And then I need to also get other things. If like maybe I want to add black pepper, I already have black pepper at the house, or white pepper, I already have those. So I just need to get these two essentials ingredients for the white sauce. Other things that I do have at the house, but these ones I don't have. But otherwise, over and above that, I'm also here to buy some other things that I need at the house, toiletries and stuff. Yeah, so yeah, guys, come with me. Welcome back. We are back like we never left. Let's go.
Baby, wait, see, oh no, the picture takes a I don't know how. Okay, but the picture in also, yeah, the lights. Ne? And then there's one that you took as well, yeah, the waterfall. Is it a waterfall or what? Whatever the thing is. Whenever you have time, ne? No pressure. Compile everything from yesterday. Combine whatever that you do. Make it in a very nice way. Because I got a poster on my wall. Yeah, but when you have time, ne? You actually have nice hands.
ngisacabanga phela ukuthi ngizothini phela. Okay, please subscribe to Alive and Kicking. We're back like we never left. Peace out. Bye. Bye.